Best After Effects plugin just dropped. Shake Sauce 2, baby. Very excited, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Shake Sauce 2 inside of After Effects. If you want to add a lot of energy, intensity, crazy vibes, this is the plugin you guys need. If you guys new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that like button. Come join the Sacred Takes family. With that being said, let's hop straight into the video. These will be the clips we'll be working inside of After Effects today. As you guys can see, there's no energy in these clips, no intensity. Don't you guys worry, we got Shake Sauce 2 pulled up and it's here to save the day. This is my first day using Shake Sauce 2, guys, so I'm gonna pretty much be learning with you guys. But once we have Shake Sauce 2 opened up, as you guys can see, we have some presets right here. If you hover over them with your mouse, you guys can see on the left, they'll show a little preview of what you're gonna get. So now we're just going through. We got Stomp, we got Twitch, we got Vertical, we got Zoom Twist. We also have some options over here where if you select it, it's gonna make these presets flicker as well, which is pretty fire. If you wanna add some motion blur, you can select that as well. You can also have mirror. Right here is pretty much like a preview. We could skip frames as well, which is pretty fire. Another cool thing is, guys, we can make our own presets from this plugin as well, which is pretty fire. If you go and press here, an adjustment layer will pop up. As you guys can see, it already has something going on for us right here. We have the amplitude up and the frequency up just a little bit, but if you don't want that, all you have to do is come here and it'll pretty much reset the values for you. See how there's nothing? And right here we can pretty much make our own preset, which is pretty fire, guys. So let's go ahead and keyframe the beginning of the amp and the frequency right there at the beginning of the clip. Let's go about halfway. Let's bring that amp up, bring the frequency up just a little bit, nothing too crazy. If we play it back, you guys can see it already gives that shake. Press on the keyboard so we can see the keyframes. If we bring that frequency up, it's gonna be shaking way more. As you guys can see, the intensity on this clip already went up by 1,000. You guys can just play around with it. You guys can go up on frequency. It's gonna be shaking around crazy. You bring that amplitude up as well. It's a little bit too nuts, but you guys get the point. Then you guys go in the clip, bring that back down to 0, and it'll come back down as it's going down. Once it's done, you guys can go over here to the save button and name your preset. Let's put S1, press save, and then we go back to the presets. You guys have to go to keyframed. And as you guys can see, it's already there and it's pretty much saved. You can use it every single time, which is pretty fire. Now that I show you how you can save your own presets, let's go ahead and dive into Shake Sauce 2 and see what it has to offer with the presets already. Press on Flicker and then Earthquake, and then you guys can press here to add the effect, but if you double click on Earthquake, it'll automatically add it for you too, which is pretty fire. Now if we play it back, you guys can see it has that subtle flicker and it has that Earthquake. What's also cool, guys, you can go over here to your effects control and you can mess with the settings manually as well. As you guys see, it's at 0.2. Let's bring that number up to 10. See what we get. Super fire. Oh my gosh, simple as that, guys. But wait, there's more. There's also transitions inside this plugin. For you to add a transition, you just put the time indicator in the two clips you will be transitioning from. So I'm gonna do from this one to this one. We're gonna go to keyframe. This is where the transitions stay, and like I said before, if you guys hover through, you can see what it comes with. We got pump, we got quick, we got sideways, we got stomp, we got twitch, we got vertical, we got zoom twist. So many options. Let's go with the zoom twist. So we're gonna double click on it, and then boom, it's gonna automatically add the transition. Let's see what we got. Woo! Oh my gosh, guys, this is so fire. We're gonna press on that clip. Let's go back to constant. Let's take off that flicker. Let's double click on Earthquake. That adds on to our clip. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Then we're gonna transition into this clip. So we're gonna go back into keyframe. Let's go with Stomp. Double click on it, automatically adds. As you guys can see, it's very easy to use this plugin, and that's why I really enjoy it. When we play it back, we got something like this. So fire. Now we're gonna go to this clip. Let's go ahead and add something else. Let's go to constant. We're just choosing some random ones you guys can see. Let's take on the motion blur. Let's go with zoom bounce. Double click and it adds on. Then right here, we're gonna add another transition between these two clips. We'll go to keyframe. Let's go with a flicker. We'll go double click on zoom this time. Play it back. For this last one, let's press on it. Let's go back to constant. Go to flicker. We'll go earthquake again. As you guys can see, it has a subtle flicker. I'm gonna go back into the flicker settings. Bring that flicker altitude back to 10. This plugin, guys, definitely needed. It's definitely one of the best plugins out there right now in the market. I mean, just look at the before and the after. This plugin is definitely needed inside After Effects 2024. With that being said, guys, shout out to Brian De La Mata. This is a big upgrade from Shake Sauce 1. I'm really enjoying using Shake Sauce 2. But just like you guys, I'm also new to this as well. I still have a lot to learn about this plugin. But if you guys enjoy this plugin and you want to test it out, I'm gonna link down below a link where you guys could try this plugin 7 days for free. You're not gonna pay a single dime. Hit the link down below in the description, guys. Go ahead and check it out. You won't regret it. Best plugin inside of After Effects right now, hands down. With that being said, guys, that's the end of this tutorial. Hit the subscribe button down below. Join the Sacred Takes team. I'm dropping tutorials every single day. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. If you like this plugin, like I said before, link down below. 7-day free trial. Go ahead and check it out for free right now. With that being said, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.